Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to post on TikTok using OpenArt. So posting to the TikTok platform using this platform isn't a direct one-click process. So OpenArt doesn't publish straight to TikTok, but it's still quick if you follow what I'm going to show you. So you all need us first to create your video in OpenArt. So go with the left-hand menu to the create section and click on the video, and right here you will need to generate your clip. So if you want to go with text to video or image to a video, okay, so you can go with text with reference right here or start and end frame, then enter your prompt, then just go with generate. All right, and then go with upload the video to your computer files, and don't forget to use the vertical video. So type right here or mention on the prompt that you want it as vertical video, and choose right here that ratio, right, and also type cinematic and social media style. Okay, and now, as I told you, upload or download the results or the video after generation and save it to your device. And now you will need to open your TikTok and then just upload it. So for example, you will need to go with TikTok, okay, and go with the TikTok platform here, sign in with your account, and then so you will need to go with login, and then go and tap on a plus icon or create or even upload, just like that, as you can see on the left hand. Okay, so once you click on the upload here, you will need to go with select a video, then you will be forwarded into your computer files, and just select that one video that you already generated on the OpenArt AI and just post it to your TikTok. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.